returning to the area. Alden, are you anticipating it to feel like what we had last week, where it's difficult to even be outside?
No, I don't think we'll see our humidity getting, or those feels like numbers getting into that triple-digit territory, but it's still, going to feel like August in Kentucky, hot and humid, but I don't think it's going to be lasting for too long.
So how about these chances of thunderstorms? Are we going to have a good weekend around here?
Yes, I think our set will, I'm expecting us to stay dry through Saturday, but by Sundays when we'll start to see those rain chances returning again. It was pretty cloudy for much of the day, but now we're finally starting to see some sunshine, so a nice and sunny way to end our day for us. Our main weather story, as mentioned, is that humidity returning, so things are going to be getting fairly muggy across the area. We'll definitely notice that starting tomorrow when our heat index, what it feels like to us, will be back into the middle 90s for many areas as well, and also staying dry until Sunday when we see those thunderstorm chances beginning to return. So Max HD radar dry now across our area. All of the rain that we had earlier this morning, which was fairly heavy at times, has pushed well to our south and to our east, where it's also begun to weaken overall quite a bit. But those rainfall totals were quite impressive in some areas. We had a pretty respectable half-inch here in the metro area, but as we see elsewhere, about 2.5 inches in Brandenburg, about over 1 inches in E-Town, Hodgenville, and in Lebanon. There was a particular band from Huntingburg all the way toward Lebanon that saw that those amounts of 1 to 2 inches or even more in a few locations. Looking at Futurecast, it's a bit warm on our temperatures at the moment, but it is showing those skies clearing. With the saturated ground and a clear sky with light winds, we could have some patchy fog developing. Any rain for tomorrow is going to be staying off to our west, so I expect us to see sunnier skies tomorrow afternoon, but those temperatures warming back up to near 90 degrees, especially in urban areas and locations that did not see as much rain from today. Our Saturday morning looking to start off a bit on the typical side, middle to upper 60s, but we should still see mostly sunny to partly sunny conditions. Any rain is still going to stay off to our west and our southwest, but I believe we'll be able to warm up a little bit more because of a southerly wind getting more so into the lower 90s. Now heading into Sunday morning is when we're going to be watching for the first round of possible showers and thunderstorms to be pushing through. And if we were going to see any thunderstorms on Sunday, they could possibly be on the stronger side, but any confidence in severe weather is on the lower end at the moment. And if we did have any stronger storms, again, probably in the afternoon, but looking long term into early next week, still expecting some more scattered showers and a few thunderstorms to start off Monday, with kind of those daily chances hanging around through most of next week as well. 83 degrees right now, only 78 at Fort Knox in E-Town, and Bardstown coming in at 79 degrees. Looking at our hometown forecast for tonight, again, some patchy fog will be possible with those partly cloudy conditions. Temperature staying somewhat muggy though and mild, only the lower 70s here in the metro. Tomorrow, upper 80s for most of us, lower 90s here in Louisville's urban core. 7-day forecast. Lower 90s through Sunday, 40% chance for those showers and thunderstorms comes on Sunday too, and early next week, Monday 84, so not looking quite as warm through next week. Temperatures holding a little bit below normal, but I do believe we're going to see some breezier conditions rolling in starting on Monday as well.